Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the $350 sign-up bonus with Premier Members Credit Union. It's a great way to increase your savings. We'll go ahead and get into it. This is a nationwide offer. You can join with a $5 donation to Impact on Education. Premier Members Credit Union will match this. It is check sensitive. There is no monthly fees. It is a soft pull. There's credit card funding of $1,500 allowed with Visa and MasterCard. You can also have $1,000 in referrals per member. The current offer expires December 31st, 2024. The link to sign up for the checking holiday bonus is the website right here. If you want to scan with your smartphone with a QR code reader, you can scan this. It will take directly to the offer. The $50 portion of this bonus is for a referral for opening up a money market account. So it's $300 for the checking and $50 for the referral on the money market account. Existing members must not have had an open checking account within the last 90 days to qualify for this promotion. For new members, you'll need to add a checking account with activated Visa debit, enroll in e-statements, enroll in direct deposit. You'll need a minimum of $500 per month within 60 days of account opening, open a primary share savings account and money market account. The annual percentage yield on the money market account is currently 4% up to $2,000. If you're an existing member, you'll need to add a checking account by clicking on the Quick Apply link at the upper right-hand corner. I believe it's in the middle of the page. With activated Visa debit card, you'll need to enroll in e-statements, enroll in direct deposit, a minimum of $500 per month within 60 days of account opening. For existing members, if you have a money market account, you will not be eligible for the $50 referral bonus and only the $300 checking account promotion. After clicking on the Premier Members Union Checking Holiday Bonus page, click Become a Member in the upper right-hand corner. You'll need a minimum of $5 to establish your membership savings account. You'll need your driver's license, state ID, or passport, social security number, date of birth, information on joint account owners, beneficiaries, business owners, or responsible individuals. You want to click on New Personal Accounts to get started with the account opening process and click New Member Account. For eligibility, choose $5 donation to Impact on Education. For available products, you want to select the checking tab and select Smart Checking. I believe this is the first one. It requires a $25 minimum deposit and hit the plus sign to add that. Then click on the Smart Checking tab. The Smart Checking tab, we've already clicked on it. It has a space for a promo code. Just leave it blank for this promotion. You won't enter one. And then you'll select the Savings tab. You're going to want to select Primary Savings. It requires a $5 minimum deposit and hit the plus sign to add. And the very last one you'll do is a money market account. It requires a $5 minimum deposit. Click the plus sign to add. Now, when you click on the money market account and click on add, it's going to have a pop-up window, and that's why you enter your promo code to get that additional $50. You can use this promo code here. Just enter that there, and you'll get the $50 promotion. On the next screen, you want to enter your personal information, including your social security number, date of birth, address, employment information. You'll be prompted to upload a copy of your state ID or passport. After you enter that information, at the funding screen, you'll see an option for you to select credit card funding of up to $1,500. And at that point, you can choose credit card funding if that's what you so choose to do. You can also link external accounts through the funding process as well. After entering your funding information, you want to review the application, make sure everything is correct, and go ahead and hit the submit button. Usually the account will go pending for review. You may get an automatic approval. Otherwise, they'll usually notify you through secure messaging about the status of your application, usually 1 to 2 business days. After you've completed all the requirements for the checking account bonus, it'll be credited to your account within 60 days of the promotional period ending December 31st, 2024. The $50 money market referral bonus will be credited to your money market account on the last day of the month in which the account was opened. And just for a wrap up on the Premier Members Credit Union Sign up bonus for $350. It's a great way to end your year bonus, to wrap up your year and get started with your savings goals. Check crowdsourcing sites for data points that will trigger direct deposit. As always, I rely on Chase Business Checking, Wise Transfers, but others may work as well. If you guys like this content and enjoy getting more of it, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, email me at orig58@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and guys, have a good day.